The Delhi Assembly's Peace and Harmony Committee questioned representatives of Facebook India while examining social media platforms' connection with the 2020 Delhi riots. Peace and Harmony Committee, chaired by Aam Aadmi Party leader Raghav Chaddha, posed queries to FB India officials asking the company to clarify its definition of hate speech in context of India. However, FB officials said that they have a global community standards when it comes to hate speech and also kept reiterating that the same is followed for India as well. FB officials were also asked about steps that have been taken to curb fake news, for which their response was unclear.
Now, the Honorable Supreme Court in its judgment had graciously acknowledged the complexity of communal tensions and their wide-ranging ramifications. And it is in this context that this committee would like to know, has Facebook India defined hate speech in the Indian context?
Respected Chair, hate speech falls into one of the categories in our community standards. We do have definitions around it. I'm happy to share. In fact, I'm carrying some of our safety documents here, which I can leave behind with you and also point you to the community standards. Hate speech definition is very much there. But as you understand, platforms like ours have to work on complex issues which have to balance both free speech and privacy safety at the same time. So it is very difficult to say that the definition is always going to be perfect. It is always ever evolving. For example, in India, when we started work and over the years, we realized, for example, caste could be a factor based on which hate speech could be put out. And it is basis the inputs from civil society organizations in India. We evolved the hate speech definition to include caste slurs in that as well. So my limited point is that while yes, there is a classification of hate speech which takes into account local factors, but our community standards are a global document to make sure that we are able to function that, make it function in every jurisdiction.
So you have defined hate speech in the Indian context in that document?
Hate speech is defined in the community standards. I leave it to your judgment whether it takes care of the Indian context or not. I gave a small example where a specific Indian
whether
context.
It takes care of the Indian context or not is a separate debate. Have you specifically defined hate speech for India? It could be a narrow definition, it could be an exhaustive definition, but has Facebook India or Facebook INC defined hate speech qua India?
Respected Chairperson, our community standards is a global document. We believe hate speech definitions apply uniformly across the world. And whenever there are local considerations, we would take that into account, as I just gave a specific example. Beyond that, when hate speech issues, when in our consultation with civil society organizations are put across to us, we do take those inputs on board, not just through our definitions, which are ever evolving, but also through the content policies that we have to make sure that we are not missing anything really big on any
I'm sorry, I'm not able to it's a simple yes or no. Is there a specific definition of hate speech in the Indian context? It's a yes. I understand there are community standards. I also understand that, it could not be a static exercise. It keeps on evolving. All that is very well. But do you have a specific definition of hate speech for India?
The hate speech definition in the community standards is applicable to India as well.
So there is a specific definition.
Hate speech is a part of our community standards, and those definitions apply to India.
No, there is, Mr. Thukral, what could be hate speech in the US may not be hate speech in India. Right? It is in that context that I'm asking, is there a specific definition of hate speech for India?
We believe the hate speech definition that we have in the community standards is
for all jurisdictions?
Is ensuring that it takes care of the issues in India, sir. I'm happy to share it with you, and then I'll leave it to the committee's judgment. But we believe the hate speech definition that we have.
Okay. From your answer, is my understanding correct that you have one comprehensive definition of hate speech that applies to all jurisdictions?
To the best of my understanding, the way our hate speech definitions work, it is used as a part of our community standards, and I think the concern that you're raising for a country like India, the hate speech definition in the community standards would cover that.
No. Hate speech you have defined on the basis of Indian laws or on the basis of global laws?
Correct.
Respected member, as I said, we respect local laws. We do take into account all the issues pertaining to...
It is specifically applicable in India.
It is my understanding that the way hate speech definitions in our community standards are, it does take...
Applicable only in India, not globally.
It is definitely in line and applicable as far as Indian laws are concerned as well.
And on that